Hey guys, what's going on? It's RC Knockout and I'm back with another video. In this video I'm coming at you with my Mad Max running the, my X-maxx running the Mad Max wheels and tires, yellow body. The biggest change with this one is I've changed the motor up. If you look in there, this is I believe it's a 5892 1340 kV motor from Leopard Hobby. And I had this motor before I even started my channel, so probably since like 2016. But the shaft came out on it. It has an 8mm shaft. Came out on it, and was trying to work with the company, but they never sent me a replacement. In the end, I put it all back together. I used like high temp thread lock, and I'm hoping that the shaft stays in. So I took it all apart, put the whole motor back together. I know it works, but the question is, will the shaft start sliding out again? I don't know. I have my Kershaw Designs mount that was in my other X-maxx. I now put it in this one because it works a lot better. It's meant for this motor actually. And the pinion is a 29 tooth pinion as well. So still running the Max 5 ESC. But yeah, so this thing with a 29 tooth pinion, I believe that's a 54 tooth spur still. That might be a 50 tooth. I honestly can't remember. Can't keep track of what's what on any of my RCs anymore. But yeah, so I've stripped this whole motor down, took it all apart, put it back together. I know it works, but I don't know if it's going to hold up without the shaft coming out, because I don't know if I'm missing a clip or if there was supposed to be a clip in there, but there's nothing holding the shaft in. So I just put a bunch of thread lock on it with the hope that it would stay in there. Alright guys, I got this X-maxx out. Gonna do a little test run. See if this motor shaft starts coming out. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, I'm running 29 tooth pinion, and I've had problems with the motor shaft actually pulling out from the motor. And this thing with this motor and this pinion setup is an absolute monster. I mean, this thing can lift the wheels up at almost any speed, and this thing's heavy. I mean, this is my heaviest X-maxx I got. This truck has to weigh 30 pounds or more. And yeah, so I do have the Millennium fan strapped onto the top just with zip ties. This thing will go wheels up at basically any speed. Sorry for the noise, neighbor's mowing his lawn. Can't do much about that. But you can see that thing will that'll pick up the wheels at any speed. It's absolutely nuts. Like I said, this truck is heavy, so this motor just pulls all the way to the top end, and Alright, let's see if the motor shaft is pulled out yet. It doesn't appear to have moved yet, so we're good on that front.